It's time to upgrade your kitchen with the Strom Hybrid Gas Stove. You can cook your meals faster so you save time and money. Strom is a German brand which is known for high quality and trustworthy products. It features both a gas burner that gives you a powerful blue flame and an infrared burner that has wind and water-resistant flames. Plus, it has a tempered glass top and an elegant gradation and lotus flower design. Get the Strom Hybrid Gas Stove for only 2,995 pesos or get it for 3 easy payments of only 999 pesos per month only here on Shop TV.
Welcome to Shop TV. We are your hosts. I'm Janina Van Hoven.
And my name is Mon Gualvez.
And today we are so excited to share with you our product. But before we start, Mon, may tanong ako. Are you fond of cooking?
Well, paminsan-minsan pero hindi ako expert. Kasi to be honest, nakakaselan ako, nahihirapan akong gamitin yung mga traditional gas stoves.
Alam mo, that is a very common complaint among Filipinos na talagang sobrang hirap gamitin yung traditional gas stoves. Bakit? Una-una, it's so big and bulky so there's no space in your kitchen for anything else like your mga pots and pans or your utensils. Another common complaint is it's very difficult to use kasi nga ang dami niya mga knobs and you don't know how to use it. Plus, they break easily so you have to use like a match or a lighter to reignite the flame. At itong pinaka-common complaint is it's so difficult to maintain. Why? Because of course, you can't avoid mga oil splatters, food splatters.
Makalat.
Makalat siya, so it's difficult to clean. And at the end of the day, you actually use more gas when you cook because the flame is not that hot.
Alam mo sa sinabi mo, Janina, para tuloy nakakatamad ng magluto. Pero guys wag! Because with the Strom Hybrid Gas Stove na talaga namang isa sa mga exclusive product of Shop TV, this is napakaganda at talagang very, very special. Why? Because it has these 2 different stoves combined into one.
Yes.
It means it emits gas and infrared flames na talaga namang very efficient gamitin. At ang maganda pa rito, Janina, it is made up of tempered glass top. Kaya naman sigurado ka of its durability. And as you can see, di ba napakaganda rin ng kanyang design.
Yes, and alam mo here on Shop TV, Mon, this Strom Hybrid Gas Stove is one of our top-selling products. We have sold over 18.3 million pesos worth of this product. At alam mo, itong Strom Hybrid Gas Stove is actually a German product. So ang ibig sabihin nun, when you hear that something is from Germany, talagang you are assured of the quality. So talagang it's very tried and tested. It is very trustworthy, very credible, so you know you are getting value for your money.
Ang galing naman talaga. Kaya naman guys, kailangan mas mapadali at mas ganaan yung pagluluto ninyo with the Strom Hybrid Gas Stove. Kita mo naman, from the original price of 3,495 pesos, binaba na namin yan sa very discounted and Shop TV exclusive price of 2,995 pesos only. And aside from the Strom Hybrid Gas Stove, meron pa itong kasama mga freebies. May mga free. Nandyan yung 2 pot stands at 1 mini pot stand. At para mas mapadali yung pagkuha at paggamit ninyo nitong hybrid gas stove, meron tayong 3 easy payments. For only 999 pesos per month, you can actually get this Strom Hybrid Gas Stove. Kaya naman this time, i-check natin kung bakit kailangan ninyong gamitin at ilagay sa inyong mga kitchen itong Strom Hybrid Gas Stove.
features of the Strom hybrid gas stove. Now, una-una, the one feature that I really love is the 2 stoves in one. So normally, with your traditional stove, you just have one burner and it's one gas burner. Pero
Correct.
dito, sa Strom hybrid gas stove, you actually get 2 stoves. You get both a gas burner and an infrared burner. At hindi lang
Two
yan.
in one, ha?
2 in 1 talaga. With a traditional gas stove, normally what happens is it actually emits a red and orange flame. So what does that mean? The red and orange flame is actually not that hot. Now, as compared dito sa Strom hybrid gas stove, it emits a blue
Yun, no?
flame.
Blue
so,
flame.
yung blue flame, and this blue flame is the strongest. So talagang napakainit niya. Tapos meron ka pang brass grid. So what this does is the combination of both the blue flame and the brass grid helps you to cook your food faster.
Mas napapalakas din yung apoy.
Exactly. So in the end, you're able to cut your cooking time. So let's try it. So here we have a pot of water. Now let's say you normally boil water mga 3 to 5 minutes, diba? So here, let's put our pot. And as you can see, we just placed it, pero mukhang umiinit na siya. And that was almost instant.
Ang galing because of the blue flame.
Exactly, the blue flame and the brass grid. So let's say it normally takes you mga 1 hour and 30 minutes to cook your meals. Here, we cut it down to almost 1/3 of the time. So you save on time, you save on gas and energy.
All gusto yan ng mga viewers natin na talaga nakakatipid ka sa gas consumption.
So in the end, you save on money.
Correct. Ang maganda pa rito, no, sa ating Strom hybrid gas stove, usually, di ba nilalagay natin yung mga gas stove natin sa mga malapit sa bintana, nandyan din yung nasa dirty kitchen, di ba? Para at least yung usok, lumalabas ka agad.
Correct.
Ang problema, ang tendency niyan, madaling mamatay yung apoy.
Tama. So,
Either
try natin.
dahil nahanginan, ayan, di ba, tingnan mo yung apoy. Parang patay din na siya, hindi mo alam kung may naiiwan pa bang apoy dun sa pinaka-stove.
Correct.
Or madalas, pag natatalsikan din ng tubig, dahil minsan umaapaw yung nasa mga pinapakuluan
Nako,
natin.
ayun, oh,
Tingnan mo,
namatay
namatay
siya.
siya agad, nako.
Namatay siya
Hindi mo
versus-
alam, baka mamaya delikado na ito. Diba?
Correct.
At saka napapatagal yung cooking time mo at the same time. Unlike with the Strom's hybrid gas stove, pag binabasa mo siya or nahanginan siya, o kita mo, buwabalik lang din talaga kaagad yung apoy.
Alam mo,
Hindi
the
siya
great-
namamatay talaga kahit lakasan mo pa, oh.
Correct. And as you can see, talagang concentrated yung heat sa center. So you get an even cooking all throughout. You don't have to worry about that, di ba?
Correct. Isa pa sa mga main problems natin, guys, kapag nagluluto or kapag gumagamit ng gas stoves, yung mga knobs nito na madaling masira, unang-una yan na nada-damage. But with the Strom hybrid gas stove, wala ka na magiging problema dahil easy to operate siya at madali mo din na-adjust kung gaano kalakas yung heat na gusto mong gamitin sa pagluluto.
Ayan o, napaka-user-friendly nito.
Ang dali lang
alam
niya.
mo,
Wala kang hirap-hirap.
perfect din to sa mga beginners, yung mga natatakot to
Gumamit
cook.
ng stove.
Oo, kasi
Correct.
mainit. The other great thing about this is, as you can see, meron nga siyang tempered glass. So what is the benefit of tempered glass? Sa mga traditional stove made of stainless steel. So di ba, napaka-flimsy niya, at saka mainit. It's so hard for you to use kasi hindi siya safe. Pero dito sa tempered glass, this is so durable and
Wow,
it has
matibay.
been tested. Matibay siya.
Sige nga, subukan
so
natin.
it can withstand all kinds of heat and all kinds of pressure. To test natin. Ito, hammer to ha.
Okay.
Let us...
Oh my God! Wow!
No crack!
Wala!
Wala.
Talagang kahit
As in-
mahulog yung mga kawali or kaldero mo, hindi ka mag-worry
Look at
na
that.
masisira yung stove.
Correct. So talagang this will withstand all kinds of pressure, all kinds of heat, and it's safe. So it's safe to touch. You won't have to
Galing.
worry about mga getting burned or ganon. So, and the other great thing about this is, as you can see with this tempered glass, meron siyang napakagandang design. Meron siyang gradient design and lotus. So talagang beautiful. So there really are so many benefits to this. Not just that. As you can see, very easy to maintain. Ba't natin sinasabi yon? When you use your traditional stoves, di ba, nasa-stress ka pag may talsik,
Oo, yung mga oil splatters, di ba? O yan, testingin mo yan, may oil
testing natin.
splatters, ha?
Oil
Naku,
splatters.
ang dami
And
naman
let's say
yan.
yung mga
Ang hirap linisin yan, di ba? Tendency mo, talagang may stress ka.
Really super! Nasa-stress ka, oil splatters, yung mga, let's say, ketchup that
Oo,
are
mga
so
sauce.
sticky, mga
Na
sauce, so
tumatapon,
difficult.
umaapaw kapag nagluluto ka.
Correct, and you can't avoid that, diba? Ako, I hate that
Yes.
with traditional stoves. Pero dito,
Pero sa Strom's hybrid,
tingnan
madali mo
nga
lang din siya
natin.
malilinis in just wiping it, di
and
ba?
you don't have to use soap and water to remove
Di
this.
na.
You just have to simply wipe it off, and look at that, with just simple wipes. What's your experience, Noel?
Wala nga kahirap-hirap oh. Ang
Diba?
daling maglinis na ngayon ng kalan. Parang gusto ko na maglinis palagi ng kalan ito. kapag ito yung gagamitin mo, di ba?
Correct. So talagang you're sure that this will look new for longer periods of time.
Ang maganda pa rito, hindi lang Strom hybrid gas stove ang pwede nyo makuha once you get this offer because we also give you 2 pot stands na
Yes.
free at meron pang 1 mini pot stand para at least maprotektahan pa rin ang inyong mga pots and pans sa flame na nilalabas naman ng stove.
Correct.
Diba?
So,
Kaya naman,
talagang
guys,
ang daming benefits itong Strom hybrid gas stove.
correct. Ano pang inaantay nyo? You can get the Strom hybrid gas stove for only 2,995 pesos na from original price na 3,495. Ang laking discount niya na talagang very, very affordable at para mas madali sa inyong mabili at makuha at magamit na ito sa inyong kitchen, we offer it for 3 easy payments na for just 999 pesos per month, you can actually buy it now.
Yes, so what are you waiting for? If I were you, I would really pick up my phone and call now. Because with Strom hybrid gas stove, we're not just selling you a kitchen appliance. We're really
Correct.
giving you more time to spend with your family and to do important things, diba? Because we're cutting your cooking time almost 1/3 of the time. Di lang yan, you actually save on money dahil you use less gas. So talaga ang daming benefits nito. What are you waiting for?
Yes.
Pick up your phones and call now the number on the screen, or you can log online www.shoptv.com.ph, because it's not just us who want you to have this. We really want you to feel that there are
Yung efficiency niya.
exactly
Ang galing,
the
diba?
efficiency and convenience is what you are getting with our Strom hybrid, gas stove.
It's time to upgrade your kitchen with the Strom hybrid gas stove. You can cook your meals faster so you save time and money. Strom is a German brand which is known for high quality and trustworthy products. It features both a gas burner that gives you a powerful blue flame and an infrared burner that has wind and water-resistant flames. Plus, it has a tempered glass top and an elegant gradation and lotus flower design. Get the Strom hybrid gas stove for only 2,995 pesos or get it for 3 easy payments of only 999 pesos per month only here on Shop TV.
O diba, napatunayan natin kung bakit kailangan mo yung Strom hybrid gas stove sa kitchen ninyo. There really are so many benefits. So, one of the main benefits is the 2-in-1 stove. Now, as we said, compared to your traditional, very outdated stoves, now you get the gas burner and the infrared burner. And the great thing about this is, because of the blue flame that it emits, you actually use less time to cook your food, and therefore, you actually use less gas. So in the end, what happens is you save on time and you save on money.
Ang galing ha, very time and cost efficient itong Strom hybrid gas stove. Ang maganda pa dito guys, it is made up of tempered glass top, kaya naman very durable.
Yes.
Diba? It also has these easy-to-operate knobs na madalas complain sa mga traditional and outdated gas stoves.
Yes, and speaking of tempered glass, as you can see, ang ganda-ganda ng Lotus design natin. So if you have this in your home, it doesn't just elevate the space, it actually beautifies your home.
Diba? So let's upgrade your kitchen now with this Strom hybrid gas stove na from original price na 3,495 pesos, we offer it for a very discounted and Shop TV exclusive price of 2,995 pesos only. So, aside sa Strom hybrid gas stove, ang dami pa niyang freebies na kasama. Merong 2 pot stands at 1 mini pot stand. At para mas madali, we made 3 easy payments for you. So,
Yes.
for only 999 pesos per month, pwede mo nang makuha at magamit at malagay sa kitchen itong Strom hybrid gas stove.
Yes, so really, what are you waiting for? Pick up your phones and call now the number on your screen, or you can check us out online, www.shoptv.ph, to get your very own Strom hybrid gas stove. Or you can even check out our social accounts, that's Facebook and Instagram, at ShopTVPH. Because really, with the Strom hybrid gas stove, we're not just giving you a kitchen appliance. Talagang we are giving you back the convenience, and we are giving you back your time.
Correct. Kaya naman guys, thank you very much for watching. Again, my name is Mon Gualvez.
And I am Janina Van Hoven.
And we hope to see you again next time, only here on Shop TV.
It's time to upgrade your kitchen with the Strom hybrid gas stove. You can cook your meals faster so you save time and money. Strom is a German brand which is known for high quality and trustworthy products. It features both a gas burner that gives you a powerful blue flame and an infrared burner that has wind and water-resistant flames. Plus, it has a tempered glass top and an elegant gradation and lotus flower design. Get the Strom hybrid gas stove for only 2,995 pesos, or get it for 3 easy payments of only 999 pesos per month, only here on Shop TV.